Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today, we'll be looking at advanced modern machines taking farming to new heights. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. First, we have the Melon Wrangler. This machine is used for collecting fruits such as cantaloupe, honeydew, pumpkins, or anything that grows on a vine. Field crews put the fruit from the ground onto the conveyors, which carry the fruit or vegetables up to the workers at the top of the trailer. The crew at the top receives the fruits or vegetables and loads them into the bins. This process prevents bruising of the fruits as they are usually thrown from the ground onto the trailer. The in-feed conveyors are 18 inches wide, while the incline conveyors are 24 inches wide and have 4-inch cleats. The speed of the conveyors or carousels can be adjusted. The conveyors can be easily detached from the machine for transportation. The machine is fully self-propelled and has a noise level of about 72 decibels. It runs on two Honda 24-horsepower gas engines and consumes around 4 gallons of fuel in an 8-hour work shift. Next on our list is the Planteuse Eurogrammat EA Mister. It's a versatile and efficient planting machine that can handle different types of plants. It can plant 12 rows at once, with plant spacing ranging from 6 to 24 inches and row spacing ranging from 24 to 60 inches. It can work on soil with or without mulch and has a working depth of 2 to 6 inches. The hydraulic system adjusts the planting speed and pressure based on soil conditions and plant size. The Eurogrammat EA Mister assists farmers save time and effort while ensuring consistent and excellent planting quality. Next up, we have a powerful chipper made by the Italian company FBC Magnesio. The model is CIP.16PF. It can be operated by the power takeoff PTO of a tractor with a minimum power of 45 horsepower. The transmission is done through belts and pulleys to the flywheel. With a single loading hopper, this machine shreds fresh prunings and trunks into 2 adjustable blades ranging from 5 to 15 millimeters. It also has 2 quarter blades that break down the material into splinters. The 2.4 meter high 270-degree swivel discharge makes loading wood chips onto trailers simpler. The big hopper is 31.3 inches wide and just 31.5 inches high for easy loading. The resulting material is used for composting, mulching, or it's dried in wood chip boilers for home or industrial use. The next machine on our list is the OB100A. It's made by the Fouchet Oberschnick, one of the top manufacturers of fruit picking machines. The machine can move itself and safely and efficiently collect the harvested fruit from the ground. It can pick up various fruits, including apples, pears, and walnuts, and sorts them based on size and quality. The machine has a 39-inch working width and can collect up to 6,600 pounds of fruit per hour. It features a 185-gallon bunker designed to overturn a trailer from a height of 8 feet. This machine has an all-wheel drive. The hydraulic radial piston motors offer excellent power for driving on slopes. Because of the large tires, the OB100A provides excellent lateral stability on hills. It's perfect for professionals. Now, if you're looking at the shake and catch harvester from Frumaco, it can quickly and efficiently harvest tree fruits and nuts. The harvester is capable of harvesting up to 6 trees per minute without stopping. It uses an electro-hydraulic mechanism to control the process. The machine's umbrella catches the fruits and nuts instead of letting them fall into the ground. it moves them to conveyor belts. The harvester has a 3-wheel chassis, all-wheel drive, and steering, allowing it to navigate various terrains and slopes. The machine runs on a 75 horsepower Deutz diesel engine, and it has a 52.8-gallon diesel tank. Also, it's user-friendly and equipped with an electro-hydraulic control system, allowing the operator to monitor all machine functions from the cabin. The harvester is also permitted for road use and can be transformed for transport in under 2 minutes. Whenever we see tasks that involve moving of rocks or big structures, we often see bulldozers getting used. Bulldozers are heavy construction machines that have large metal blades they call as the blade or dozer blades. The purpose of these blades are to move materials like soil, sand, rocks, or debris whenever they get raised, lowered, or tilted. On the other hand, anchor chains are a strong chain made especially for use with anchors on ships, boats, or other marine craft. It is an essential component for the anchoring system and is critical to the stability and security of a ship while it's moored or at anchor. What if we told you that bulldozers and anchor chains can also be used for other things? Would you believe me that these beasts can also be a helping hand when it comes to tasks in wooded terrain? For improved traction and stability, bulldozers frequently have strong engines and large tracks or tires. They have a powerful pushing force and are made to work in difficult terrain. Bulldozers are frequently employed in forestry, agricultural, mining, and construction applications. Bulldozers are driven by operators who sit in a cab above the rails or wheels. They control the motion of the machine and the position of the blade using joysticks, pedals, and other controls. Modern bulldozers might also be equipped with cutting-edge technology, such as automated functions and GPS systems for precise placement. The anchor chain's main purpose, meanwhile, is to join the anchor to the boat. The weight of the chain strengthens the anchor's holding ability by increasing the horizontal force applied to it and aiding in maintaining the anchor's appropriate alignment. The chain also serves as a shock absorber, easing the strain on the anchor and preventing jerks or unexpected jolts. the Savannah Global Solutions is here for all of us. They're just one of the many companies who aim to assist on tasks that involve forestry, land clearing, and transformation operations, even up to highway and road constructions. They started their mission of providing a diverse land development product lineup in the year 1987 in Savannah, Georgia, USA, and Savannah Equipment Pty Ltd in Australia. They now have precision application systems that can be outfitted on bulldozers, forestry skidders, and four-wheel drive tractors. Their machines, products, and services offered are specifically designed to perform well in forestry and agricultural applications. The Savannah Global Solutions is known to be good partners when it comes to addressing challenging soil and site preparation needs. Thanks to their patented Savannah Stump Jump hydraulic relief system incorporated with their Savannah equipment including subsoil, bedding, one-way plows, offset discs, and road maintenance equipment, land clearing operations and even preparation for farming have never been so easy. They have ever since assisted in land clearing operations with their bulldozers. Two of their top machines for land clearing and transformation operations are the 900 series blade root plows and 1100 series chopper rollers. 900 series blade root plows. Heavy-duty tools for clearing land and controlling vegetation are available under the Savannah 900 series blade root plows. These specialized plows are frequently used in the forestry, agricultural, and construction industries to clear soil, remove tree roots, and prepare areas for different reasons. The Savannah 900 series blade root plows are designed primarily to uproot trees and clear the land of weeds. These plows are designed with strong blades and strong hydraulic systems, allowing them to easily cut through heavy vegetation and roots. Large-scale land clearing initiatives benefit greatly from their ability to manage difficult terrain and dense vegetation. The Savannah 900 series flexibility is one of its standout qualities. Users can select the most appropriate model based on their unique requirements because these plows are available in a variety of sizes and combinations. Models in the range have often varied blade widths and attachment choices, allowing for flexibility for various applications and project sizes. The Savannah 900 series design places a strong emphasis on toughness and endurance. These plows are made of high-quality materials and designed to survive harsh circumstances and continuous use. The blades are strengthened to withstand abrasion, ensuring life and lowering maintenance requirements. The Savannah 900 series blade root plows have more uses outside plowing soil. The level of soil disturbance during clearing can be managed by operators thanks to some models' adjustable cutting depths. This is especially helpful when working on locations that need little ground disturbance or selective clearing. These plows can also be fitted with extra attachments to increase their functionality. For instance, some models can be equipped with rakes or grapples, allowing the plows to efficiently collect and transfer material. Because of its adaptability, the Savannah 900 series may be used for a variety of land management activities. Safety is one of the utmost importance when it's using the Savannah 900 series blade root plows. To ensure safe and efficient usage of the equipment, operators should get the necessary training and adhere to suggested rules. It is crucial to follow safety procedures, which include donning the proper personal protective equipment and performing routine maintenance inspections. (1100 series chopper rollers). Chopper rollers from the Savannah 1100 series are known for being sturdy and strong agricultural machinery parts. These strong equipment is made for performing diverse forestry chores. Savannah choppers are meant to work in concert with these heavy-duty rollers. The 1100 series chopper rollers are designed to be straightforward yet incredibly powerful instruments. Bulldozer land clearing has a large impact on both biodiversity and climate change. Plant destruction lowers ecosystems' ability to take in and store carbon, which raises greenhouse gas emissions. This has a deleterious effect on biodiversity and exacerbates climate change. The extinction of plant species throws off sensitive ecological balances and makes it harder for wildlife to survive. Bulldozer land clearing also upsets the food chain and makes it more difficult for wildlife to survive by removing trees and other plants. Animals that depend on particular plants for protection or food risk being displaced and having less resources available to them. Additionally, the intricate ecological functions that intact ecosystems perform, like carbon sequestration, water filtration, and erosion control, are jeopardized. Bulldozer clearance may be useful for agricultural development, but it also has serious environmental consequences. Concerns about this approach include soil erosion, habitat loss, food chain disruptions, detrimental effects on biodiversity, and climate change. Consider alternate land clearance techniques that have a priority on reducing environmental disturbance in order to reduce these effects as much as possible. Striking a balance between human goals and environmental preservation will be made easier by putting into practice measures like reforestation, restoration efforts, and sustainable land management methods. These are just some of the things you need to know about clearing lands and trees using bulldozers and anchor chains. There is so much more left to learn about similar processes and procedures. If you want to learn more, you can go check out other videos from Lord Gizmo. We hope you've enjoyed this showcase of innovation and power. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, thanks for watching.